Hi, today I have Samsung Galaxy F15 and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. To do that, in the first step, swipe up the screen and open calendar application. There we have our calendar and we must tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 80th of April. And when we choose it, we press this plus icon. And first we can add title of our event. There we can add emoji to our event, maybe this one, and we can change color for blue, maybe, and we see it in our calendar. There we can set when event starts and finish, or we can set it will be all day by switch. Location of our event, if we want, we can add event to our group on Gmail or our friends Gmail calendar. There we can add notification of our event alert, maybe today before at 5 p.m. What you need, repeat of our event. We can add notes to that, make video conference when event starts, attachment, we can invite some people to this event, and after we set all we need and prefer, we press save, and we have it in our calendar right now with our emoji and color. That's all. Bye.